saya Nolly Walker. Selamat datang ke kediaman saya. Actually, rumah ni adalah rumah pencegahan saya kalau saya balik daripada London. Kami menetap di London dalam 15 tahun dan tiap-tiap tahun kami akan balik sini. And then actually my daughter 10 years old still sekolah di London. Dalam setahun tu dalam 3-4 kali kami akan balik ke sini. Location wise nombor 1 lah sebab paling dekat dengan KLIA. Just only like 20 minutes from KLIA and then senyap, sunyi macam kita duduk kat UK. Rumah ni ada 9 bilik. Tapi since that terlampau banyak bilik nak kemas, we renovate sikit bagi dia jadikan 7 bilik. I design my own ID helped by my contractor from Nice Style and they are doing very good job so far. We are so happy with what they do it. My favourite area actually is the kitchen. Normal lah perempuan. Suka masak, suka mengemas. And then kitchen is my favourite. I choose the concept on contemporary because it's everlasting. You know, you balik sekali-sekala. When you balik sekali-sekala, you tengok rumah orang, advance macam ni lah ni. Jadi bila you ada rumah yang konsep contemporary, you see like, okay, forever like this. In terms of furniture rumah ni, I like to be mix and match. Some of them I beli daripada UK, dan bawa balik daripada UK, and then some of them the local store je kat sini. Time frame, due to time frame that I tak ada masa, you balik sekejap-sekejap and then you nak buat ni, buat tu, nak order ni, memang tak lah. But most of my appliances, electrical goods semua, I beli daripada UK. Because compare with price semua and then quality, quality kat sini memang tapi mahal, but that's why I beli kat UK. Shipping, and then yeah, actually it's good to now. Yeah, mix and match. Masa I plan nak buat ID rumah ni, I dah discuss dengan contractor more into my because first I'm intend to build the house and then I had a lot of land dekat Bangi Golf Resort. Memang we are planning to do the house, build the house. So I dah setkan room by room what I nak. Tapi most of the room is like contemporary basis and then more idea tu datang daripada UK. My own house dekat UK. Actually, what we call is own a house, and then ni rumah persinggahan, rumah persinggahan yang maybe dalam setahun tu paling lama pun 2.5 bulan aja. Depend on my anak punya sekolah, cuti sekolah, and then we all balik. Rumah ni terlalu besar, and then banyak bilik, so you can do whatever you want. I nak when you sleep at night, you feel like home, like macam kat UK home, and kat sini tak ada beza. I would love to call all my family member to come here and then sit here, sleep here, and then do a barbecue because my husband from USA, American, he love barbecue. Actually, my husband choose this house. When he enter this house with the shell empty, this is like open space because he's American. So American concept of house is open, like kitchen, living, semua open. Compared with UK, it's more into small room. Then when he look at this house, he fall in love with this house. He said that okay, this is might be our house, and then we straight buy this house. And then it took us about like 4 months to renovate before we can really come in. Balik mid of August 2018. Rumah ni like 80% set for duduk lah. I pay attention more into kitchen. I like kitchen, this dry kitchen and wet kitchen and another extra oil kitchen because I like to cook. And especially my husband like to eat. Especially Malay punya food. This open concept of like living and dining open semua, it means you can accommodate like 50 of us at one time. Even my family member just dah 20 lebih. So hari raya, last hari raya, and then we gathering kat sini semua. So it's just like, and then every time I datang, I balik sini, I like to call on my friend. Actually, this is a nice concept that my inspiration, my ideas. So I hope this can become outside idea who want to do like this, everything, the concept. Actually, it's good. It's cool concept, relaxed concept, and contemporary concept. I think this is like kind of like modern concept.